Hi, we're done with sine law and the right triangle. This time we're going to study cosine law. Cosine law states that the square of any side is equal to the sum of the square of two other sides minus twice their product times the cosine of an included angle. Or in formula, we have a squared equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine of a. And b squared is equal to a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cosine of b. Finally, we have c squared equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine of c. Cosine law is used in an oblique triangle where the given is the two sides and their included angle. Okay? Example number 1 given. Side A is equal to 20 centimeters. Side B is 25 centimeters, while angle C is equal to 80 degrees. Let us find side C, angle A, and angle B. So this time we'll be using cosine law. We cannot use here Pythagorean and the sine law. We have C equal to the square root of a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine of c. Now c is equal to the square root of 20 squared plus 25 squared minus 2 times 20 times 25 times the cosine of 80 degrees. Okay, so substituting this, we have c equal to 29.18 centimeters. Now that we have side c equal to 29.18 centimeters, we may use the sine law. C over sine of c is equal to a over sine of a. From this, we have angle A equal to the sine to the negative 1 of A sine of C divided by side C. And we will be obtaining A equal to 42.453 degrees. That is our angle A. Okay, now solving for angle B, we have 180 minus A minus C, and that gives us 57.549 degrees. That is our angle B. I hope you can follow. Okay, let us proceed. Example number 2 given. Side A is equal to 5 feet and side C is equal to 12 feet, while angle B is equal to 65 degrees. Let us find side B, angle A, and angle C. Again, let's use cosine law. Okay, so we have B equal to the square root of A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cosine of B. And this is equal to the square root of 5 squared plus 12 squared minus 2 times 5 times 12 times the cosine of 65 degrees. And substituting all the values and using our calculator, we have B equal to 10.88 feet. That is our side B. Now that we have side B, we may use sine law. B over sine of B is equal to C over sine of C. From here, we have C equal to sine to the negative 1 of C sine of B over B. Okay? And in here, we'll be obtaining angle C equal to 88.39 degrees. That is our side or angle C. Solving for angle A is equal to 180 minus B minus C, and that is equal to 26.61 degrees. That is our angle A. I hope you can follow. Example number 3. Points A and B are separated by an obstacle. In order to find the distance between point A and point B, third point C is selected, which is 100 meters from A and 120 meters from B. The angle ACB is measured as 70 degrees. Now, let us find the distance between A and B. This is an obtuse triangle, and we'll be using here the cosine law. Okay, for us to obtain x, which is the distance from A to B, we have x squared equal to 100 squared plus 120 squared minus 2 times 100 times 120 times the cosine of 70 degrees. And then we have x squared equal to 10,000 plus 14,400 minus 2 times 100 times 120 times cosine of 70. That is equal to 8,208.483. And we have x equal to 127 meters. Okay? I hope you can follow. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.